Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla Monét. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back and checking out my new video today. Today I'm going to be filming how I installed this unit and a review on this unit from Reshine hair. I'll go into more details on this unit later, but it's a 26-inch 180 density unit, 13 by 4 frontal. So yeah, I really like it, and if you are interested, definitely keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started with the video.
Sit up, you sit up, you sit up, you sit up, like the cool blue light, 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 like the cool blue light.
Hey y'all, so I'm back with the finished look. Off camera, I definitely did add some baby hairs to this unit because I just like baby hairs. So I did that off camera, and yeah, I just let it air dry, and I went and took some pictures, and it's a couple hours later, so it definitely did get bigger, but I love big hair on me. This is a 180 density 26-inch 18x4 frontal unit from Reshine hair. I would definitely say if you don't like how thick it is, definitely do 150 density. They do have an option for that on their website, but you know, I love big, thick units, curly units, so I definitely went for the 180. I just want to show you guys the parting space. This is how far it goes, and of course 13x4. I did the middle part, but you can always, like, you know, do a flip over method on either side if you want, or this side. But yeah, that's definitely up to you, but you know me, I love me a middle part, so that's what I did today. How long the unit falls on me, like I said, it's 26-inch. I'm about 5'4", 5'5", so this is how long it falls on me, and if you were to stretch it out, it would go to your hip. And this is the back. Definitely my first day, so I can't really give a, you know, extended review, but just off of first impressions, I definitely will give this hair a 10 out of 10. I did go in and I bleached the knots and I plucked the frontal, and as you saw in the beginning, a lot of hair did come out when I plucked the frontal, and I had little to no shedding when styling this hair today. And I styled it. I went through with my brush and the mousse and the water, and I had little to no shedding today. Definitely do like it so far, and there's no matting in the back, but of course it's the first day, so you're not gonna get any. It was seamless styling when it came to this unit. I really do like this unit. I love the curl pattern. It definitely does mimic, you know, like a 3B wavy curl. It's a water wave curl, so I love how it, you know, curls, and it's loose but still kinky at the same time, so I really love this pattern. And yeah, I have no complaints about this unit as of today. I can definitely film an update video if you all like for me to do that. That's it for the video today. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye!